Mambo vipi, karibu tena katika channel ya Feaboy TZ. Ni channel ambao utajifunza kila siku mbinu mbalimbali za kuweza kutengeneza pesa kupitia njia ya mtandao. Sasa hii ni website nzuri kabisa tena. Leo tunakutana nayo ambayo itakusaidia wewe ambaye unafuatilia channel hii ya Feaboy TZ. Kama ukitazama video hii kwa makini, naamini hautokosa kitu kizuri katika website hii. Hii ni hearing, hii ni visual assistance, earn money for working as a visual assistance. Okay, hii utapata USD au dola 25 mpaka dola 40 kwa lisali moja. Hii ni fully remote, hata ukiwa mbali utafanya hii kazi. No experience is the subject required. Start working right now. We are currently recruiting now people to work as visual assistants. These vacancies are remote. Okay, contract period without fixed term. Payment USD 25 up to 40 per hour, depending on the complexity of tasks as an assistance. You can work for 1 hour per day, for example, as long as you reach the minimum number of hours per week explained in the topic below. Requirement: you must have access to at least one of the following devices. Kwa lazima uwe na iPhone, iPad, Android smartphone, Android tablet. Kwa unaweza ukawa na Android smartphone na Android tablet na ukafanya hii kazi. Skills required is needed. You must have access to a smartphone, tablet or computer and be able to assist client with administrative matters. Be able to work independently, ability to close, follow steps and instruction provided for at least 5 hours available per week. Okay, hours per week flexible. Remote online work. We are currently significantly expanding the number of remote workers for this vacancy due to demand. Okay, I want to apply for the position. Go click sehemu hii iliyoandikwa I want to apply for the position. You are applying for the position of visual assistance. To apply position, please complete the following form. Select your country. Okay, utachagua country yako hapo. For me, I will select my country. Let me check it, which is Tanzania. Then, do you have internet connection? Utagusa sehemu hii iliyoandikwa yes. Do you have internet connection? Say yes. Do you own a smartphone or tablet? Smartphone, Android. Click this one. How many hours per week do you have? Hours per week. Unaweza ukaseti mwenyewe. Okay. Set. And scribe. Type your email. Hapo utaingiza okay. Phone number, hapo utaingiza namba zako za simu. Hapa utaingiza email yako. Then uta click submit form. Just wait and see. Okay. Visual assistance, start earning. Now my application was received, so doing visual assistance job today. Kwa hiyo utagusa hapo palipoandikwa start earning. Congratulations. Okay, you are just a few steps to start a task. Click hapa. Independent professional, start earning. Just wait and see your payment current, this one to this one per hour depending on your work month. Kwa hiyo uta wait hapo kidogo. Then baada ya hapo utabonyeza sehemu hii iliyoandikwa I want to become a visual assistant. Okay, ukishagusa sehemu hii itafunguka namna hii kama jinsi sasa unavyoona hapo, Seller visual assistance. Okay, registration data, your full name, your email, your country. Okay, card number, utaingiza payment method yako hapo. Payment method utaziweka hapo, CCV, date, lifetime access. Okay, guarantee your access with monthly update from Connect plus this one. Out of you decided to choose this option, will never see this opportunity again. Add offer. Kuna offer nyingine visual assistance, order total hiyo hapo. So